English shortened general matters dictation 150 words per minute. I will dictate 150 words per minute to 155 words per minute. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, this Constitution Amendment Bill seeks to make special provisions in the Constitution for a new setup for the administration of the Union Territory of Delhi, including provisions for the establishment of a Legislative Assembly and an Council of Ministers responsible to such assembly. Sir, as the House is aware, Delhi is a Union Territory administered under Article 239 of the Constitution under the existing law, namely the Delhi Administration Act 1966, an executive council to assist the advice and administrator in the exercise of his functions. The Metropolitan Council is only an advisory body with no legislative powers. There has been a persistent demand for a representative form of government in Delhi and also for removing problems faced by the common man, such as municipality of authorities with overlapping functions. With a view to finding a permanent solution to the problems, the government appointed a committee on 24th December 1987 under the chairmanship of my honorable friend with wide, long-standing problems faced by the people of Delhi. The committee submitted its report on 14th December 1989. The committee had gone into the matter in very great after examining the memorandum received by it from various persons and holding detailed discussions with individuals, representatives of institutions and political party, eminent citizens, experts and acknowledgeable persons with long experience in administration and public affairs. It also examined the details of the arrangements made in the national capitals of the country with federal setup and took note to the views expressed in the debates in the Constituent Assembly and both houses of Parliament on various occasions in regard to the arrangements for the capital, its committees and commissions. The committee is aware of government for a national capital, particularly for a country with a federal setup. Now, sir, there were two conflicting requirements that we have to be reconciled in these aspirations of the citizens of the capital to govern themselves in consequence. When spirit of the constitution is very important. Secondly, has been recognized world over as well as in our country all along, the national government should have sufficient control of the capital city and its administration of discharging its national and international responsibilities and commitments. Further, the effective administration of the national capital is of vital importance to the national government. Stop.